Every so often, while you're busy with your daily life, you have these moments. Moments when you feel you're a part of something bigger. When you're aware of how valuable our Earth really is. And how much it needs our care. Take Marco, for instance. As a vegetable grower, he plays a vital part in all our future, in which we face a steadily increasing need for food. Fortunately, Marco doesn't have to take on this challenge alone. At Bejo, we help growers work sustainably, so they can make the most of their land. And not just Marco, but all growers around the world. They know their land like no other, the strength it bears, the possibility it offers, the potential that lies within it. Exploring, unleashing nature's ultimate potential is what motivates us at Bejo every day. As a family business since 1899, we know that to make a big impact, you must start with something small. That's why our efforts in research and development go beyond what meets the eye. We go right down to the DNA level in search of undiscovered potential. Potential for seeds that can resist disease, that can withstand harsh weather, or that have better growth characteristics. After thousands of crossings, intensive testing, and careful selection, we introduce many strong, healthy new vegetable varieties every year. We use growing methods that stay close to nature. This way, we're able to produce high volumes of strong seeds. To ensure purity and the highest quality, we work with devotion, care, and a great eye for detail on each seed lot. We dedicate ourselves to making sure our seeds are in great condition and ready to grow into healthy, flavorful vegetables. As you can tell, we're really into research. But we like to get our boots dirty too. In the end, it's the field that truly shows the results of our efforts. Being a grower ourselves, we know that a good yield doesn't only depend on the quality of the seed. Cultivation conditions also have an effect. We understand the challenges we all face. We help each other by sharing experiences to achieve the best results while keeping the soil fertile and healthy. That's why at Bejo, we feel a responsibility to care for the world we live in. Because when we do, we get back so much more. Together, we can provide enough food for everyone. And not just today, but long into the future. It all starts with an open mind. Who knows what we may yet discover? If nature has taught us anything, it's that there is great potential in even the smallest of things. That's why for us, exploring nature never stops.